Come. Come. Good. Right in there. Drop your chin down a little.
Doesn't happen.
Swing over here. Drop your right shoulder down all the way. No, nothing there. We'll try this angle. No, not too much.
Okay, now lie on your back. Breath in and blow it out. Let your head melt. Get this side. Got it.
Stand up. Oh, there we go. Just that one side. Yeah, you can relax.
There you go. Let me have you. Boy, oh boy. Didn't get any better than that.
Nope.
Yep. Boy, oh boy. A little deeper in person, huh, Edgar?
I didn't see that coming, literally.
Come back.
Exactly.
I feel like I can't move.
Loosey goosey thoughts. Not too much on that side. A little bit over there. Not my first rodeo.
Don't try this at home, guys.
And release your lower back. Big breath in and blow it out.
Oh.
Got it. So now we're gonna tilt this way just a little bit.
Oh. Oh.
Gosh.
Let's get you evened out here. So this is gonna be up top. All right, move your right knee up a little bit.
Oh. I was like, wait, this is okay, right?
Got it. Feel it pop?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, I saw a flash. Drop more. Good, nice. 200,000 subscribers? Anyway.
And blow it out. Here we go.
Oh. Watch your tongue. Breathe through your nose. Yes, sirree.
Oh. Ah, gotcha. Easy there. Good. There we go.
Holy shit.
Perfect, thank you. Oh. And there's another. Good, and another. Now lie on your side.
Together, don't bite their tongue, breathe through your nose. Now here's the important part I was explaining a minute ago. So you bring it to tension, and then you hit it. When you're at tension.
Good, so have you tilt to the right with me here. Perfect. To the left. It's you. Now that.
My hips. Oh, yeah. Can you hear that over there, Blaine?
This way. Good. How about that?
A little bit.
Oh, where is these crunches coming from?
Good. All right, shake it up.
So we're coming all the way down. Look at that. Gotcha. Nice. I'm gonna drop your head a little bit more. Keep coming.
Oh.
There, I got it.
Oh.
Perfect. To the left. It's you.
Got it.
Well, she did put lip gloss on.
Lightheaded?
Pressure up there.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, big deep breath. And then, there we go. Good. So that's it.
I'm gonna try to get this lower one. Got it.
That'll wake you up in the morning, huh? Mm-hmm. Okay, let me do it for you. There you go. See, it works better when I do it. Oh.
There we go.
Oh, my chip, it broke. Oh, fuck, okay, that one actually did hurt.
Stretch a little, see if you like the stretch, okay? Does that feel okay to you? Here's another one.
Yeah.
Did it pop already? Okay, so this time we're gonna stretch and pull. So big breath in, here we go. And blow it out. Do one more, big breath in. And blow it out.
Whoa.
That one's fine. All right, come stand up and face.
On Sarah. Good. Let's go.
Oh, I felt that one this time. Whoa.
Wiggle your left big toe for me. And now your right. Oh, shit.
That's the home run, baby.